feelings there na yes I will be but the particular place na me feelings me one say o me no phone it doesn't mean na ma me share bra e go me share like me the no phone share matter and say because we do baby me to me e fire it's here na me to me like me jam me no phone go so na ma share ka me no
me the way you me wan ba me go tell sorry e ja e go see e go do dem na who be do dem na continue do eno no ko bisa man
okay
afi na ko chichama na sorry dabi o hina ni we dwaye eno ti na ati asese o ni be chebu untia ni water be untia ni life no na mama lista
yeah
e dey party na job to be satisfied
that they all can it's not that's
when we dey do voice no when we dey do voice you tell me we boy ba be share me sister me dey be man be dia mo be fe no be fi o gwa okay wo ba no ma you say mu ti dey there na mu jare na ba man ko tin sorry wo ba no from me won echi
okay
e dia no mu di kan ko red iron na wo ba family one that you so the woman be sorry.
Okay.
I sure us baby I want us to fuck here. The person you do it, Jare.
I want us to
hey, fuck here.
I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, mesmerized.
For mama kwaba biem e de mo ba de na yas out of shoes so ai koswa na hwehwe e wo YouTube original na yas one TV na ya no nim say ya no de ye shamo ba ye de bremo ye shada to ye wo ase akonsuo na se akofa ma wo ho fe e na ye de mo ba show yi so e me man so a me mo ho fe pa e na ye de mo e ba show ni so e no tie na ye be kasa afa feelings ho na me bi say say feelings e ho hia ana say e ho hia na se ho hia feelings no wo hwe me o feelings ba da bia no na hyehyɛ so ana enu tie na me sak ma pamfo mienu a ho fe yie pa ye ka ma ho fa we di edi twem esen dada na ye be cancel ye be bo nsam ye be hwete nsam na wa hwe me wate ase se na ye be ya we say feelings e hu ye me di ane original na yes one aka Mrs. Safo Bakope I Mrs. ye Mrs. Uko ye Mrs. Ajaboso eti me twa me ho aba me ba ebusia foi ya mama kwa ba biem e de mo bad na yas out of shoes so na koso ahwehwe ye YouTube original na yas one TV ba kope na ensem a edi akotene na be ma waware agina e be ma wo mpena sam etompon agina no na wo di a chechiro busia e kwa enegu ya na de more levels e de ma enti no e chwaso e de ya mamo adepa Ajwa depa papa bi woni se o ne ma na e ade papa
Ne bo
feel ma show sa oh my confused
confused
tuntuna no crap nkube na se nkuni yese
me tungu me sra me nyam kutwa me okay
na me sure Peo papa bi
na yes
Peo na se me ho se wo ye good girl bi sa
baby o nye good o
sa
say pa
what say pa
nye easy
and you never force
yes so
dia so
nye easy
Peo you no akwa ba do go show ni so ade pa se no akwa ba me show ni so Peo maybe sao say you can feelings oh wait me action baby feelings
oh maybe feelings there na yes I will be but the particular place na feelings me one say oh no phone it doesn't mean na ma me share bra e go me share like me the no phone share matter and say because we do baby me to me e fire it's here na me to me like me jam no phone go so na ma share ka me seriously
okay Ajua
what are you
feelings na obetimi a chere me de ntia feelings
feelings who here say nipa So for us that we nipa there, we are there obenya orgasm, obenya feelings.
Okay.
Ube feel say ube have sex.
Okay.
But
Okay.
now so
Feelings ho hia. Nanso ewo ho, eno so ho hia. Ubetimi aboye nanso na ewo ho no. Eno so hia no.
Ewo ho. Sex here, feelings
ho hia.
And sex is an exercise. So when you're doing it, it's a invest time.
Okay.
But I say now okay. Now we can have sex. And until I because they now so feelings here.
Okay.
Anybody could be.
Okay. Fair.
Na yes.
They okay, there is all feelings pa.
What feelings pa?
Nti baby a o feelings to me epi I say hu bibia. O say be bi o ho no ma. Hu na o feelings to me but once a hu de onya ho. We yes that type no.
But your baby. We feelings but now so me to me control me.
As in controlling.
Yeah, I need to control myself. Because it's not everywhere I need to just see a guy then start having sex.
Okay.
Well, you see, you don't have feelings.
Oh, I do have feelings. You can't tell me
feelings because maybe feelings, but it's here. Dear me here no and now, me right now. So send me the money.
So right now, yeah, where you are going to just
me boy and I'm quite dear bar, but now I say I can't wait better 2 minutes. Be junior boy.
That's
okay.
That's
I don't know idea that I see to change. Hey, feelings now.
It is our feelings, but say I walk say ba na be. E ba na say boyfriend ni unchen na say baby I want to be the social.
E ba feelings. As I say my mama who told me, die here no. As I say me man at that moment.
No,
it's feelings but die here I saw the man.
As I say me Jimmy who told me.
But you have to have some specific time for it. Not everywhere.
You don't need specific time to have sex.
Oh sister, what
you don't need it. That is why it's sex. Yeah, I'm planning say 2 minutes me kodi. Say baby what I can't control ku say me baby mo share dating too. Aba. As say we di na body ne ho to me.
Okay.
It is there. That one is there. But I say we control you. And yes, every public place whilst people are gathered, you just going for sex.
Hello. Feel free. What they what I say? We need say when you drew age we your relationship. We need be more chimpna. Until when you're ready then I will come. So far as I have feelings about now obi wo obeti me dia mo awon to di ne ko be. What is say we dey now church say dey na wa. Entin ka the feelings ni ko wa.
There that's why we say we have
Mommy abaji.
Hey.
Oh,
yeah, so feelings ba eri asinipa nche. Adepa na eka o. To so feelings nya pie dia. Baby bia afa hyehyɛ so wo mo nko ni papa enche te se adepa. Apa. Adepa. That's the wo ka kwa edie.
Anything.
Enipa bia wo feelings so ba de nti na wo de wo feelings ba baby bia wo pese wo bi.
Enye say e ba baby bia me pese ni. Feelings no. E ma to say na bench na. Enti the moment abam e ye nimre. And I did be one a time. It is a mrena so. Why do I have to deprive it? I didn't know what I mean pom. Make us say I want to sister. And I'm in the bedroom with tea. Oh, me no. This one I don't more. What I say, look at my door more. So when you go a pie Marco club, na sebe, the quarter story of so do was in ferry. And your club, what shows kept us from outside, so be able to move you. Obedia and one pepe. And you come on, baby pepe now for baby. Then the woman
I tell you are only in
much a day.
I didn't know what in yard
Because Naya Sisiam, your feelings will be our feelings, but your particular time. And you know, say serenity, no one, and she said you should do that with that moment. You have to control yourself. Finish with what you are doing, then move to wherever you see say it's convenient for you to go and have your sex.
Okay.
You do it. But everybody says, who are sorry them so bet me as put me here. You have to control it.
That's the party at the air can open to what she said. I sorry them crack no.
congregational, right? Intimate meaning. Yapon, me kun yourself. Who office? And how many office? Who office was sorry? Na me waba was a train me everything at the power of the man. Yebeji.
You are sorry.
Yebe, and I see that.
No,
okay.
Anybody say particular time they are the feelings done or bet me and then also be train after the congregation and some of the office on.
Oh mama.
And so satisfy yourself at that moment now also the feelings are. So that's what you are saying, say you will read your time.
What you say, Adepa, you were doing in our kwan, and you know the fact that we did And I saw feelings.
Says in Fataya, Joe, says in Fataya, and I don't says Fataya, dear, and Fata. Meaning that
it's not just our feelings about baby. What's me do?
Meji,
What's me do?
I must say, Meji, do. Media, Mamma, dear, Mamma. Oh, dear, like Meji, dear, go to Jim Magic. Oh, Rosa, change magic. Slam is Meji like.
To walk to general dross and it.
Best they come in the same account comes and look at that and it's no it's a club out now. Baby, I made it. That mini break you made you. That's
I was your for higher do now wait here a bromisho. Wait here and I asked the semi pens really are chilling so. I don't meet now metro and Wabas. Me back, you better to us. This route anywhere feeding free up from an area. Each and Wabas is here. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized body lines. 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 For Mama Kwaba being Eddie Mubad and I asked out of shoes. So I Koswana Shushay YouTube original IS1 TV. Adipa, send your work can not say, well, feeling Savannah's or parts in your crap, baby, I would meet is just you.
No. And yet, and Lutina may become say, Seba, if you say workers or parts in the new one. A bamboo in new one. Not me any day. Until what they are is a semi.
Now what about you when you cry?
Only one I has me finding ways and ways to satisfy myself by myself.
No. Because who say no? Feelings comes at any time or buy a bus and I saw them. Instead, who couldn't be one. No matter like automatically watch it to one of
me cheating. What is cheating? A DNA cheating. Oh, I will cheat because
feelings now,
but what everything I'm cheating.
Oh, that's how you do now. What can say? And I want us to be fine.
Me, baby, I'm so. Me, better me. And no, my baby, baby, or so, mommy. Because baby, baby, will be saying for our feelings. Baby, I'm sorry for group baby, feelings. It's me, baby, I'm feelings. Meaning, so baby, I'm so. Me no for no, I'm baby. Me so me trouble, mommy, baby. Me, I'm but because me feelings about me, and that moment. Papa, no, I'm not for a boy who feel I'm not Papa, no, me want, but they're me and some from. Or they will brand about.
It is a Cobasa compound house. That's all one who should not have feelings about. Or my baby, no,
it's not what one day.
I never say at any time ever. So bad Nana would you know, it's some weird one for everybody to see.
Me of movement, me of freedom of movement, and I me moving me move. About business, one me just show you what I could do.
The person the Chelsea, I don't want to not pipe now. Then you call your husband to come and satisfy
a friendship. What is what we do in Rwanda?
Maintain that, but
I me one bank one day, baby, I'm making a family, making
okay, that's a sense, you know, at the part, open so which say feelings, yeah, dear, and we hear you. And now, a pair also say, I was here for at the pass or no dear, or so what train, and I say, feelings, dear, and we hear you, no, the feelings about baby at anyway. Piper no, pine show, dry just a baby, yeah, was a porch, Mukurano, or no, with me edge, I would make a talk, edge. Now, Pels so dear was a feelings, no, all feelings, a bar, put room, Yapper would be a ton of feelings. Yet also, Bill, if you didn't see, and I wouldn't say feelings here in here. Na eba ese u control
na ya sisi ya feelings eba ese like u control because controlling how you have to control yourself sister because let's say in the marketplace where you know everybody is around now at that moment you feelings are about then you start having sex over there it doesn't make sense we oba you like you are building up your life so you have to take a good step so that obi wo because oba you like akono obo it's make fun, but the whole kicker was
boyfriend.
And your boyfriend.
It is a cobase. oh boy neti the feelings about what once one be a dry that's what person the show to what person would do at once now or on more dear
yes my catch is on dry
ah we be cheat on you we be do about it we be do about sister yes dear ma be mat no ba ho ye die suntia ne ka enye mu na wuche water be onya na wuche apart be me pe wedding me ho aba me go tell sorry e ja ye wo si ye ko do dem na ho be do dem na ko tina do eno no ko bisa man
okay
afa na ko twitwa ma na sorry da bi ohia ne we ja ye eno tina ate asese o de be twitwa untia ne water be untia ne la do na ma ni ska
yeah
Eddie Penny I don't get satisfied.
That they all can it's not that's
when we need your voice no. When we need your voice, you tell me why not be share me and sister me the money baby am be fe no be fi o gwa.
I can pass some show. A back house.
Okay.
A back house.
Oh, we know we know. There we hear me now. About it.
Yeah, what you must start so papa.
Cheti.
E bi ne sen chete.
Ibi be man ko ta mu jare na be man ko tin so really. Ni jina ne ti fa no e jare o.
Okay.
Wo ba no be man you say.
Mami
Mu jina jare na mu jare na be man ko tin so really. Wo ba no from me won echi.
okay.
E dia no mu di kan ko red jare wan za wo ba. From me won echi so ni mo man be sorry.
Okay.
I sure you baby I want us to fuck here. Me say you do it jare.
I want us to
Hey, fuck here.
okay.
Bema no bedo. Yes, Bema no bedo. She enye fiade ye kwa na Bema do ba we die ka ho.
Okay.
A play vital role in our relationship.
But sister, you have to have what respect for yourself.
Bema ne kwa sorry.
Okay.
Woni ne pie ko class.
Na wo susu se bema wo do ana se bema wo de edie etata ne too much wo pia bonti na wo.
We nyen tata.
Okay.
Bema bia e po ba e dam kakra wo ni. Sebi craziness kakra wo. Oba dia ya tell me that ya show relationship said
okay.
We dey na your kitchen. Oba kwa for side chick.
Aha.
Because side chick need be money baby e. Me no na action pona. Me pese obi beji uti ko tell so le say me money dey need.
Okay.
Yeah, money chips. Eh hwe. Aba we da ye o ka che me say mfam. Me dey be man.
It's not just say adepa de o ka so chire nyina se wo ne be ma na ti na se ne be bi sorry e feelings no so one farm na o be fa side chick
Oba for side chick. E no pe no hia wo ho. E ni asumdwe.
It's everywhere.
E ya tu pe. Be ma bi e nya ne ma mienu pe
e wo boy dey
me wo boy.
adepa wo boyfriend and your boy nya wo
Alright. Let
it's the work ka wa utimi ye bi ma
me ra mo da. We say you no ti. Ya be je me boy because me no boy ba be di me ha. Baby, I'm the
yes. But you want to say
meeting.
And sister, if I say who meeting, as who meeting, we have a lot of dignities over there. And now we have business. Let's say you are signing something, and now we are about here. And our status also so.
Oh yeah, me boy, I'm more yes, boy, boy, so me more right.
No, you disgrace yourself.
You need to be finished around what?
No, see, I don't disgrace yourself because that place it's a meeting place. You have to give respect to whoever is there. You have to give the last time you get there and invite them. No, won't me invite you on
you need to be kissing the Euro one time. You need to be hugging the Euro one time. Why don't I do it? Is it because me here to
okay.
Is it because I'm
I won't
no.
Okay.
Me see it's not having fun anywhere we are.
It's a meeting.
Wait, I be here. One doesn't wait to happen. He said I be here. I be and then they have more levels.
Oh, sister.
I will be showing so. I was for them will make I will say original yes one TV so and I will kusu I will show I will YouTube original yes one TV show now will enjoy then I yes other show when your daughter Miss Robin me patcho and you na me say what say did that we are daughter yeah you are welcome then one what say show friend na grab show no show me that's Adepa, if the same bisa o fine now with say ebi o fiancé ni o boy we ni wunchen and I will ni wunchen na makwa share conference room na makwa share baby e party e JB na say na wo ka say baby our feelings etimi pie so feelings pie over ke dia na
Okay, I so wo. Say party na so wo. You wo how are you communicate?
okay
Me ni na me dey show am what I say so right time na so aso.
okay so what about oni ho nso a
Oni ho a me test oni am ebe na obi say am na so me here present.
it is went me and text no na say fan say o boy ni me around what if fan say boy ni me around na kwakwa ko share wo no friends akwa ko share conference ase na wo feelings aba na mema wo ho ndi na abeyi
mema wo me wo na me from ya de bu to sex phone ya
wa fra wo boy na so wa nya na de na be
mema na wo honde he better say they be shy and satisfied
she can't control it
we are friends with benefit
o feelings ba wo no ba bia wutini de wani
and no fear na me friend but abani
cheating
say utu kwanya we be outside to kwanya for Russian countries na so your power for now you can go to a campus where there are muscular guys that who should be and we are welcome that is why me will open relationship that man it say e ba simidi and who ba me make a trouble me I always say e ba no you
and you pedi pa opekotse
ai je suwa e ba it dey
na emma be nyina to say most of 90% o nyina pekotse a esosowa
say yes so me fa say ya mu dey bia ye start didi intem and they supporting so rawa what is it emu ye du kakra na wa kakra e me say come on
u pekotse
ai papa
u pedi e chi wan kasankasa adwuma kora wo be ya survive didi o pe edie ono de wo so wo pe enyame na me ka hye na no adwoa adepa oba no ho fe woni wo se edie wo pe won fantete it so so be wo ye be ma na so pedie etisa adepa abehwe ne dia ene contact me wati ope boga ope be mo so wa no ho fe wo sika enye de oba be so 5 minutes bia adepa it me so camera ni na kan final ways a chere ashafo wo mo se wo mo de wo feelings ba wo mo ntimi hwie bi ngu no mo de show mo
hwe etiefo midina ne adwa de pase de otemu enye se maseyu na tenkan ba wa tenkan ba emfansie di wo se de wo penu no de be kire wada moment ni se ye no yama wo hunto ne ni me feelings aba na me sha mo so show so atwen wen eti e kire wo na sa feelings na ma bi mu a ba di anyhow anywhere wherever however please fuck yourself
hey
Nayas
baby
Nayas
check camera ni na mo wadi
that's
wow wo futu bibi check camera and say so mo feelings ba na say yes say control mo catch your mommy
right now what I have to tell my listeners is what and yes all feelings about by you have to control yourself and yes sir we all by saying everybody can just have sex with you at that moment which is very bad. As a lady, you need to control yourself. There, here at the park and there. Also, on not doing or trend, but me to me, no, I have to advise you guys to just take good care of yourself. But you have to fuck, but you have to just know the particular time for you to have your sex. Thank you very much.
Yo, also the one also said was slow feelings of the whole head, the name ne ba, now but control, study there, and for fancy me, and family. You don't want it. Adepa, so the camera and she our door for. Na for social media handles to them what it we are also sad.
Bidina ne adwa de pa obetimi afrem me Nashlab Grandma Small Girl. That is the name on my social media handles. Instagram Nashlab Grandma Small Girl, Facebook the same name, Twitter the same name. Follow me na yenim komo yen cancel. So what I say, di mechi. Forget mo maka. Di o na ko baby.
Okay, my name is Pearl. You have to, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I am Pearl-20. What I have to say is what thanks for everyone that is watching this show. Support Nayas and just show your comments, anything. What I have to say is what I love you everybody and I love my parents, everyone that is supporting me. I love you all. Thank you.
Yo, I was here for the massive beam na here and you did Jumadie no yet be see. Idiana original Nayas one aka Mrs. Safo. Michia Mikuno Nana Safo Katanka Papa Eradi Shrabi Biara Obia. Michia Odi Abusia na Michia Miss Mebusia Fonina. Enchaka see a comma Reverend of 4. I and Mrs. Queen Sierra and Coranina. APC Adi was some. Michia Mia my Romeo brother Sammy's manager. Only me abe Sammy. And some area of France. And beside Echia Prophet Pega Tamaklu breaking you fire 3 times. I na we are me and Papa Doctor Reverend Isaac Osu Bempa Afi Michia Germany for Hamburg, titiri Hamburg, any abuchiri for Obibia. Asidakasie and comma, me director Sylvester. Yay, me DOP, LMC. Afe so, na yes, one movie production. Crew nina, erade onshra Obibia or sheye. Koso, na follow me. What's it? More levels.